Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Spark Plug. So in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to make this 4-cylinder 4-stroke engine assembly in Fusion 360. For those of you who are not have not watched the previous video, this is actually the sequel, the second part of the video. In the first part of the video, what I have created is the link of that video is in the description. You can find that in there. If I just hide this and this and this. So in the first part of the video, what I have created the piston, this rod and this piston ring. So we have created a piston assembly, piston rod assembly in the first part of the video. So and now in this part, I am going to make the complete assembly of how the engine works. So don't forget to watch the video. This video is in continuation with that previous one. So those of you who have completed, this video is just for you. So once your piston is completed, so what I'm going to do is, let's just delete this, all these parts, and I will show you how to make it. So just delete this. Yeah, so here we have our piston. So this was the thing that we have created in our first video. So we don't have now anything else here. As you guys can see, I just delete this also. What is this? I don't know, just delete this also. And we have created this assembly in the last part of the video. This joint in the last part of the video. So let's revert it. Now as you guys can see, we have grounded the piston in the first part. So just right click on it and make it ungrounded, basically, and just leave the rest of the joints in its place. Now what I'm going to do is, we will start by making the crankshaft. Click on the front plane, and on this periplane press C for circle, and from the circle draw a circle of dia 76.2, just equal to the internal dia of the rod, and finish the sketch. Now go to extrude, just bring back the sketch and extrude it in a new component, and the direction would be two-sided like this. So the side 1, the smaller one, would be 10 mm, and the side 2, the distance is going to be 34, so that we have both the 10 mm offset from here and 10 mm offset from here. This is our new component, and press OK. Now press Shift and N to enable the automatic color generation. So we have a crankshaft component here. Now press sketch again, and on this plane press C for circle, and from this make a dia of 130 mm like this. Press L again and draw one vertical line like this. Press C again for circle, and from this point draw a circle of dia 60. Press D, and the center distance between these two is going to be 50 like this. So now once done, press L for line, and from here to here make a line like this. Make tangent relationship between these line and this line and this line, and press this line and make it mirror with the vertical line that we have created. So we have a sketch here, and you may finish the sketch. Now extrude this profile, this one, and this one like this up to a distance of 15 mm. The operation would be join, of course. Let's change this distance to, let's say, 70 mm, or let's make it 60, like this. Yeah, 60 seems fine, and press OK. Okay, something went wrong. Just extrude, edit the features, and select this face also, and press OK, like this. Now again click on create the sketch, press center, and from this center point draw a dia of 40 mm circle and finish the sketch and extrude it up to a distance of 40, like this. Now what I'm going to do is I will be creating a mid plane. So go to construct, go to mid plane, and construct a mid plane here and press OK. So let's switch on the construction. So we have a mid plane here. Now go to mirror, go to features, and select the features, this extrude and this extrude, and the mirror plane is going to be this one, and press OK. Now we have a body here. Now just hide the constructed plane. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make another copy of this component. So for that, go to mirror, mirror body, select this, and mirror plane is going to be this one. The operation would be join. Okay, just delete this for now. Go to mirror again, mirror bodies, mirror plane would be this. This is going to be our new body, and press OK. OK, and do again. Actually I have done something wrong. So mirror component, this is going to be our new component. So we have a new component here, like this. Go to M, click M to move, select this body, and the reference plane would be this, and just rotate it 90 degrees, 180 degrees. So rotate it 180 degrees, like this. Now again mirror this component, mirror this body. So we have a body here. Now go to offset plane, go to mid plane, and select this face, and just hide this component for now, and select this face. We have a mid plane here, and just bring back this body here, and go to mirror again, and this time mirror this body and select mirror plane as this, and press OK. Now once done, go to combine, select this body, this one, and this one, and create a new component with them. So we have a new component, and just hide this for now. So we have a new component as a body with us now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a grounded component that will be used for grounding purposes, because in every assembly at least one component needs to be grounded to make the assembly work. So what I'm going to do is I will be extracting a circle here. It could be of any dimension, and make it as a new component. So we have a new component. Just revert back the position. So this component, I'm going to make it grounded. Now as for the crankshaft, click on joint and select on this face and the center of this place. Go to motion and select the Revolute Join and press OK. So you can just now rotate the crankshaft with respect to this grounded component, and you can just hide the grounded component as we don't require it now. Now once done, I am going to make the piston move with respect to this point. But before that, the piston needs to be guided in the piston cylinder. So for that we will be making an sketch irrespective of the dimension, of course, to guide the cylinder upwards and downwards. So for that what I'm going to do is just check the dimension between each cylinder. So from this face to this face the dimension is 154. So the center distance between the pistons is going to be 154. So click on create a sketch, and on any top plane you want, make an sketch. So this is the top plane. Press C for circle, and from center of this circle make a circle equal to the circle of the cylinder, piston. Now we have a circle here. Again go to pattern, go to rectangular pattern. Object is going to be this, and this is going to be our dimension. The things is going to be spacing. The distance is going to be 154. Okay, not this one. This distance is going to be 154, and the quantity would be 4, because we are making a 4-cylinder engine, and the direction is of course this one. Okay, why it's not showing? Something is definitely wrong here. Let's see what we can give as direction. I don't know why the okay, so we are good to go. So make the quantity here as 0. Okay, something is definitely wrong here. Just cancel it for now. Again go to create, go to rectangular pattern, select the top view and object as this, and just extrude it like this. Make the quantity as 4, and the extent type would be spacing, and the space is going to be 154, and press OK. Now we have a 4 circle here. Now in order to complete a 4 circle, so just draw a rectangle like this. Beautiful, and you may finish the sketch. Now click on extrude this. Now just extrude this without any dimension. We just need these 4 holes in order to guide our piston through them, of course. So now this is our body, so just make it in a component. Right click on it, create a new component. Don't forget to rename the component. I am just skipping that part. So just ground it again. Now we have grounded the card. Now you remember our piston is still free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a joint, and the first joint that is required, and remember the first joint is going to be the middle part of this portion. So just click on this face and on the middle part. Okay, just cancel it for now and snap the center part. Okay, I will show you the next trick. This is not going to be working, so just hide this component for now. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to assemble this piston on center of this one, but we don't know the dimension and we don't know how to align it in the center. So what I'm going to do is go to join, and there's an option between 2 faces. So the first plane is going to be this one, the second face is going to be this one, and if we just control and select on this face, you can see that we have a snapping point here. So select that point. Okay, basically sometimes it gets a bit complicated, so we have a center point here. Now for the again from this point, just control and select on this face. So we have a piston assembled on the center of the point, and press OK. So you can just move it like this, and you can just move it like this, and just revert back the position. And remember that in my previous video we have already created the Revolute joint between this one and this one. So basically you guys can manage that also. So just watch my previous video how to make that joint. So that joint has not been deleted. This is still there. So just revert back the position. Now bring back the cylinder thing that we have created. Again click on joint. This time just select on this circle, center of this circle and this circle, and this is going to be our slider joint, and press OK. Now as you guys can see, if I just hide this body and try to rotate it, you can see that it's getting rotated accordingly. Now we just need to repeat this same process on these 4 steps also. So for that, again just copy these 4 components that we have created, right click on it and copy, and just on the origin document right click and click on paste. Now just drag it like this and press OK. Now as you guys can see, we have created a joint, and for now it is a new component, and we just have to again have to make the joints. So for that, what I'm going to do is go to assemble, go to rigid joint. So first of all, the piston and the piston pin is going to be a rigid joint. So we have a rigid joint between them like this. Now for the second part is the Revolute joint between this. So click on Revolute joint, select on this and press Ctrl and this, and make it Revolute joint with this one like this. Beautiful. So we have a Revolute joint between these two. Now go to assemble, go to rigid joint, make these two a rigid joint like this one. Now once done, again repeat the same step as we did earlier. Click on joint, go to between 2 faces. Okay, you don't have to do that. Just click on this and select this point by selecting the control button. Remember to hold the control to snap on the middle point. So we have a here Revolute joint and press OK. Now we have a circle, the piston here. Now revert back the position and bring back the second grounded component and click on joint and select this face, the circumference of this circle and this one, and make it slider and press OK. Now just hide the body. If I just hide the body, you guys can see the cylinder is moving. Now repeat this same step 2 times more and your cylinder would be completed. Once your whole assembly is completed, the sketch is constrained, the whole dimension has been constrained, you can work on your the engine casing. So basically this is just for your grounded purpose. So this is how the video will work. Once your all the piston is moving, you can work on the engine casing. So hope you guys will enjoy, and just repeat the step 2 times more. The same step will be repeated. Just copy paste this piston and this thing and just repeat the same step again and again, and just it will do the work here. Now if you just want to rotate it, click on any Revolute and right click on it and click on animate model. So okay, something is definitely wrong here. Let's say this was our Revolute. Yeah, make it Revolute like this. Okay, there's I think there's something is wrong with the Fusion 360 here. So hope you guys will enjoy. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.